again tonight. I just recently purchased a Kobalt 8V Max brushless mower, and I would love to unbox it, but first I gotta get this car out of the garage. So let's go ahead and pop the seal here and see what we get in the box. First thing out of the box is this small white box. That is a battery, 80 volt, 2.5 amp hour battery. Looks like there is another one here, and we have a charger. This larger white box. We'll set those to the side. Next thing out of the box is the bagger. This fits onto the rear of the mower. Then all that we're left with is this big son of a gun. How do we do this? Whoa, there we go, that's one way to do it. We have the mower itself. Also, loose in the box, we have the side chute. So that's kind of cool. All right, so something tells me that these bars should come up. Oh, but I don't know how to do it, and I think I just figured, yes I did, I just figured it out. Okay, so what do we have here? We have the back flap. This is where you put the bag on. Let's go ahead and looks like this comes in pieces, and you can set this to the height of your choosing. Oh, that's really easy. So there are zip ties right here and right here to sort of keep everything together. Once you're done with that, looks like this just kind of, oh wow. I thought that was easy. Maybe too easy. I may need, aha! Here we go. Here's the, well, not missing pieces, but here is what I was not finding. Just a quick note about these. They do sort of go on a special way, and I'll show you how that is. So when you put these in, make sure that they line up, not this way, but this way, so that this is flush. So here we go. You know, as long as you know what you're doing, this could be done by like an 80-year-old grandma. That's kind of cool. Doesn't take a lot of hand strength or anything. So, one thing that I did not go over are inside the battery compartment, they have these. This gives you information about the mower and the other products, the battery charger, the battery, and the mower itself. Alrighty, well, that's the mower put together, kind of. What we are missing currently, this is the mower in its mulching state, right? So this is not going to bag it, it's not going to shoot it out the side. And I'll show you the other two states here in just a little while. But first, let's put some fuel in it. So the battery, this is the front of the battery. You can tell because it's got a charge state icon on it. You press this button to find out how charged the battery is at any one time. So let's go ahead and open this, slide in our fuel. And we just learned a lesson. So the bar up up here is depressed. So it's going to drive forward. So let's go ahead, grab a pair of scissors, and we will take the tape or plastic off of the drive bar here. Ooh, actually, that's not tape. That's just cellophane. We can just undo that. Very cool. Okay. Now that we've learned that lesson, let's go ahead and put the battery back in. So here we have the throttle. It goes from rabbit to turtle. Here we have the start button, which will spin up the blades. I have not looked at the underside of the mower, so I do not want to press that button in case there's styrofoam or something down there. The top lever controls the blades. The bottom lever, as we learned earlier, controls the drive of the mower. This single lever controls the height of the deck. It will go from setting 1 to 7. I'm not sure if that correlates to inches or not. Here we have how you attach the bagger, and you can actually remove this section here to make sure that that everything goes into the bag as requested. Otherwise, if you're mulching, you just put that in. Also, if you're mulching, you'll want this down, or you can put it up and place the wedge, which we saw earlier, here, and it will shoot out the side. So now that we have all that out of the way and I'm nice and sweaty, let's go ahead and let's hear what it sounds like when you actually spin the blades.
So that's how the mower works. That's what's in the box. And yeah, I think it's a family. We love it.
All right, till next time, don't forget to like, subscribe, and do all those things that make us love our jobs. Also, be awesome to yourself and amazing to each other. Bye.